Hi there, and welcome back to the styling portion of the Preact course. So go ahead and go back into styles.css and venues, and go ahead and we're going to start right under find where we left off, and we'll go to bar, and what we want to enter in there is a font size of 20 pixels. We're going to do a color of #666, and then we want a margin right of 5 pixels. That should be it for bar. We want to do container. So in container we're going to do a padding right of 15 pixels, padding left of 15 pixels, and a margin right of auto. We want a margin left of auto as well, and we want a margin top of 120 pixels. Now that'll offset it a little bit there, give some spacing inside of the container. We're going to do a height of auto as well, and then below that we want to add in box. We'll do a margin of 20 pixels. Do a background color of, this will be #F, 5F, and then we want 3F0. Okay, you got a margin bottom of 20 pixels, a box shadow, and what we're going to do on that is 5 pixels, 5 pixels, 25 pixels, 0, and then an RGBA, and that'll be 46, 61, and this one will be 73, and we're going to want 0.2. I'm going to give this a border radius of 0.375 rem. The transition, all 0.3 seconds, and ease. We're going to do float left, a width of, let's see here, we want 350 pixels, a height of 350 pixels, a max width of 350 pixels, oops, and a max height, I don't want the width again, max height of 350 pixels as well, just to keep the styling the same there. Let's see, position relative, got that for us, and float, another float left here, and then we want overflow hidden, and we want the animation, we're going to do one of fade 0.25. There we go. Alright, just a few more here and then we'll be done. So side up here we're going to do keyframes, we're going to do fade. So the from will be an opacity of 0, enter that in there, and then the to will be an opacity of 1. So going below that, what we'll want is a box image. We want the margin left to be auto. We'll want the margin right to be auto. We want display to be block, and a border radius of 2 pixels. So that's what we want for box image. Now for wrap, we'll go ahead and put in there position of absolute. We'll We'll do a width of 100% and a height of 100 pixels, a bottom of 0, left of 0, and a background color of hash F1, F1, there we go. Grab that F1, F1, F1. That should be it for that. So we're going to do venue underscore name now. And so inside of here we'll do position absolute. We want font weight of 900, font size of 1.2 ems, padding top of 10 pixels, padding left of 10 pixels, color will be black. We'll do a height of 55 pixels, a width of 350 pixels, a top of 0, and a left of 0. Going below that, we want venue address. So this will just basically be inside of the card. That's what we're looking at now. We want a position of absolute. We want a font size of 13 pixels. Let's see what else. We want padding top of 10 pixels. Padding left of 10 pixels. Color of black. And a width of 350 pixels. Top of 40 pixels. And a left of 0. Alright, just 3 more tags here, so hang on tight. Let's see, we want rating, and this will be a position of absolute again. This will be a font weight of 200 pixels. We want a height of 50 pixels. A width of 50 pixels. And let's see here, we want a border radius of 200 pixels. A right of 0. Bottom of 0. Text align will be center. Then we want a vertical align of middle. We want a line height here. So that line height will be 50 pixels. We have a margin right of 10 pixels. Margin bottom of 10 pixels. And a color of white. Alright, 2 more. We're gonna do category. Category, position, absolute again. Font weight of 200 pixels. Height of 30 pixels. A width of 30 pixels. Border radius of 200 pixels. Bottom of 15 pixels. A text align of center. Vertical align middle again. Line height of 50. Oh, make sure you get pixels in there. Margin right of 10. Margin bottom of 10, and we're going to do a right of 68 pixels. Last one. So it'll be category underscore icon, and that's a background color of 666 again, and a width of 40 pixels and a height of 40 pixels. So let's go ahead and check out our application now that we've added all the styling. So we will go ahead and run npm start. Go ahead and let that get up to speed real quick here. Okay, now we'll see down there it says localhost 8080, so we'll go ahead and go there. And if you click on over to venues, you'll see our styling, and you'll see it looks very nice. You can click on the different articles, it'll take you there. But you also see that you can search again. So if I wanted coffee in Orlando, Florida, we'll find some coffee in Orlando, Florida here. So yeah, that's our application. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you really enjoyed this. And I look forward to seeing you in the next lectures and in some of my other courses. Thank you so much.